Hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Good evening, Bhumika. Anyone else able to hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Channa. Okay. Okay, Sanjoy. Okay. Okay, so let's start. We were doing some issues yesterday. We are not able to get to the other side of setup. Okay, other side of setup in the sense our data was not going from the gateway to the other part to our server. Okay, so we were doing a silly mistake in our code, and because of that, we were not able to send the data. So there's one part here. This is something which we have to write in our code. Okay, it has to get the status. The server has to get the status. Okay, the client is posting the status, and the server has to get the status. So not only the post is there, there's a get also, which we have to do. JSON.get, request JSON.get. As we are doing in the client, we are doing request.post. Here we are doing the server, what we are doing, request.json.get. Because whatever the client is sending, somewhere we have to receive it here. Okay, so I'll just simply run these two so that you can see the thing. So here the server, I'm running the server. Okay, you can see it is on 192.168.2.101.1:5000, and so 5001 doesn't matter. You can write your code, but keep it constant everywhere. Now the client is here. Okay, so we were supposed to run the client from the Raspberry OS. This is my Raspbian. This is my client. So let me get down here. Okay, so I'm in the test folder only. I will do again Python. So sorry, I will first show you the code. That will be better. Our test code is, this is our second appearance. I will just increase this properties, I think, right? Should be properties. I cannot see anything here. I need to increase the font. I'm just looking at, yeah, preferences. Interface general miscellaneous. Interface edit. Line breaking is there, but not indentation. Display character for type auto completion. No, files, tools. Where to increase the font? Template, initial version, memory printing. Should be in general only somewhere. Miscellaneous also is not there. Edited might be. Line breaker display. Complete features, indentation. with tab. Okay, leave it. Don't worry. I will do it from here only. Okay. Sudo. I'm audible, right, everyone? This one. Okay. So let me do sudo nano gateway so that we can see it here. Okay. So here you can see we are if main if name is main, then what we are doing is we are doing a alert status update alert. We are just sending for test 01 and test 02, 1 and 0 as alarms. So this is only we are sending the alarms. This is a dummy alarm right now. Now next what we'll do is in our gateway code we'll attach the sub part of it so that it can take the data from the device and then accordingly send the alert depending on the if statement. Okay. So here we have this one. So now let us run this up now. Okay. Sudo Python gateway. This I'm running on my Raspberry. Okay. Enter. It has updated alert, updated its thing so that we have received a message. So where is our server? This is our server. No, where our server was our server running? Here or here? Yeah, here it is running. Oh, I have ran it one more time. The two servers running. I'm closing both. I will do this experiment one more time. So I'll just click on server. So it has started. Now let me see. I'm going to Raspberry. I'm again running it. And this time it should show here. Yes. See, test 01, 0 and test 02, 1. Okay. And we are getting a 201 this one. So we have successfully sent the message. Okay. My voice is slow. Okay. Let me see if I can increase audio settings. Let me see. Let me see. Now it's better or it's cracking? You have to tell me. Is it cracking or it's better? Sadik. It's okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you guys now understand how what we are doing. Server, this C Windows py.exe, which is running, it is running on your system. So your system is behaving like a server. And this one, which is sending the data or sending the statuses, is running on your Raspberry. Okay. Next, what we'll be doing, we'll be adding this client.py or this gateway.py and your sub.py. So we have already two devices here, device 1 and device 2, dev 1 and dev 2. Okay, this is your dev 1 running and this is your dev 2 running. Okay, let them run. Yes. We're getting this. These two are devices. Now we know on our Raspberry, when we run this Python sub, here we should get this data. We are getting this data, right? So on the sub, on the Raspberry, we have two codes now. One is gateway.py, one is sub.py. Sub gets the data from dev1 and dev2, and gateway.py sends the data to the cloud. Cloud is nothing but your server here. This one. Okay. Now let us see what we can do. We need to merge these two. Wait, I will just stop this. Now I have this one, but still I'm not able to increase the size. No, this thing is not working like this. View should be the thing, change font. Yeah, I won't do this. change it to 20. Okay. So this is your code. Now we need to merge these two. So what we'll do, we'll keep the gateway as base and sub we will add up. So these are two things, Paho and this one will include here. So gateway code. At the end, I will share all the codes. Huh? So don't worry about that. So we have saved this, or I should not do this. This is not good. Is a working proper code. I should make another code. New file. These all things I'm doing inside the Raspberry. Huh? So it is the cloud upload. I have named it cloud upload.py. Okay, this is your code which will have both the things. I will just copy this first. I will save it here. Now from sub.py, I will take these two things and I will put it here. Guys, you are able to follow what I'm doing, right? Tell me yes, then only I will move ahead. You have to tell me. I'm not able to understand that you guys are understanding what I'm doing or not. Can you please tell me? Or if it's not clear what I'm doing, just let me know so that I can understand and repeat things accordingly. Farheen, thank you to understand. Anyone else? Farheen, sorry. Pratiksha, okay. Anyone who is not able to understand, please let me know so that I can repeat it if required. If it's not required, I don't want to repeat. That's the thing. Okay, fine. Understand. I think you guys are understanding. That's really good because it's a quite tricky architecture. So your dev 1, dev 2 are behaving like real devices. Okay, they are simulating the real devices. You are running a Raspberry Pi VM in which we are writing a code which will through MQTT, and your Raspberry Pi is also running a MQTT broker. So your devices are publishing the data to that broker which is running on the Raspberry Pi. Now on Raspberry Pi, we have another code running, which is again a client of the broker, and it is sending that data to a HTTP API based API. Okay, it's a REST API. It is sending to that, and that REST API's data, REST API server is again running on your system as a cloud. Okay, so that is the configuration we are working on. So I hope you guys have understood. So let me go ahead and work on it. Okay, so this is done. Now sub.py, what else we have to copy? We have to copy these two, definitely. Do the changes later on. First, let me just copy these things. Okay, on connect, on message. Then after that, what we have? Client on connect. Okay. I'll keep this name if now for some time. No, this is not working here. It's confusing a bit. I will just go through that once. Don't worry. Okay. So now, what is the way it is? See, now once you connect to the MQTT in this code, then after that you require, whenever you get a message, at that message time only, just a second. So whenever you are getting a message, you need to post it. That's the idea, right? So how to post that time? So on message was simply printing the data, right? After this, we have to do this. In the on message function only, we have to do this. I will read this here from here. So once you get a MQTT message, you are actually updating that to the HTTP API. Okay. In place of this alert, we need to write message.payload. I will first run this and see if I get a error. If I get an error, I will do something about it. I will do a JSON loads then. Let us see that if this works around. I'm not sure, but let us see. I'm hoping it can work. Let me see. The string, I'm converting the message.load to string. No? It should be converted to JSON. I'm just seeing that if the alerts directly work, or we don't need to. If it doesn't work, then we have to do a JSON. We have to do a JSON loads. Or JSON live. No, JSON loads of terms. Okay, so let's run this once and see what happens. Ready? Okay. Python cloud. We will get some message on message. What is that? On message, what we have done is something wrong. N does not match the outer intention level. Okay. Let me see what they're talking about. What they're talking about on message indentation doesn't work. What is wrong with it? What I've done wrong? Anyone can see what I've done wrong? It says why is this showing this? Indentation and number 12. Here it is. Which one we are not able to match? Anyone can tell me? Oh, client dot on message line number 22. Oh, line number 22, this one. Okay, only. What is the fuss about? Okay, while one client loop. If name it's to okay only. Okay, on message if name. Let me run this once. Let's see. No. Okay, yeah, something. Okay, the indentions are different here. We have to take it like this. Okay. Now I think it will work. No, they have an issue still. 24 client pay. They have an issue. Removing this. We have created a client. I'm not sure about that. We have created the client also. So that should not be an issue. Same error. Why I'm getting this? Now 25. अच्छा, line is shifted. क्या है यार, इसको डायरेक्ट कर दें क्या? I should make it direct. I don't know what's the issue. We can check it out later. someone like this. हाँ कुछ में ऐसा इंटरप्रिटेशन आ गया. Okay. It will work. Some other tabs. Some yeah. Now it's fine. Okay. MQTT message has no attribute load. Where it's payload. It should be where it has become load. Oh, sorry. Payload. Okay. Let us run this. Now next message comes. And we have updated here. Let us see on the server we have get the message or not. Not here. Where was the server? Yes, we are getting the data. Yeah, we are getting the data. Guys, able to understand what we are doing? You are able to see? Everyone? So I will parallelly keep things like this. Okay. This one is your server data. This one is your gateway data. Okay. Server, gateway. And this is your device. These two, no, sorry. This one is your device. This one is your device. These two are devices. I will make them small. Okay. These two are your devices. This is one device. This is one device. This is your server. And this is your gateway. All are synced together with the data. Getting it? All data is synced. This is your device one, device two. No, sorry, device two, device one. This is your server. This is your gateway. So D1, D2 is coming to D1, D2 is coming to the gateway, and the gateway data is going to the server. Syncing looks cool. You want to try it out? I will just share the code. So you have this as server. Then next we have the client. I will give you this one. Wait. How will I copy it? I don't know. Here I can paste. Let me see. Cannot paste it. You guys have to have a gist of it. I'm sending you separately the file so that you can check it out and do it. Client. Then what else is there? Test. Rest files I think you have. Are you on? Client I already given. Oh, sorry, I've sent it to Sadhika only. Server. Okay. This is your server side code. Sorry, cloud side, your gateway side code. So it takes the MQTT subscribe and it sends data to the REST API. Am I clear with this, all of you? Okay, next what we'll do is, okay, let me write it down. Otherwise, it will be confusing for you guys later on. Open one. You guys able to understand what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do? So our diagram was there somewhere. Wait, let me see. We'll have some diagram. Mhm. Okay. In communication, do we have something? Wait, I think, yeah, this was the one. We are doing this. So currently, what all we have done, we have finished this off. Okay. I will color them. Okay. This one we have finished. This one we have finished. This relationship is done. Rule engine we need to do. So, client we have done. Sorry. Guys, mistake. I have given the full data point. It should not be that data point, right? We have to put a rule here. Why we are using the gateway otherwise? Mosquito we have installed. Sub.py we have done. Rule engine. Now rule engine, HTTP and sub, all three has to be together. We have only till now done sub and HTTP together. Now we'll put this also, rule also here. Okay. Okay. Chalo. So our code was sub rule engine also we have to write. We have forgotten to write the rule engine. So our cloud upload is directly uploading whatever data we are getting in the MQTT. That is not the way. It has to upload with the condition apply. We had some conditions also determined. The conditions were like this, right? Remember? This was the condition. Temperature should be greater than 23. Sorry. Temperature should be. No, what I put? The temperature is greater than 23 and is less than 21.5. We have to put an alert. So let us see the code. Where we are getting the message. Here we are getting the message. Okay. Now we have to convert it. We have to write a JSON. I will copy this using putty. Don't worry. That's why I use putty so that we can copy paste codes very easily. Just a second. Okay. So let us import JSON here. Now in the payload, what we will do is just a second. Sen is equal to sen is your sensor, short form for that. We are writing send data. I will write. Okay. Data will have everything. So let us see what is the keys we have here. DID 01. Depending on dev ID, we have to select temperature and okay, this has temperature, TDS, pH, and this has okay. Our two devices were different. My mistake. Let me see. So this is for device one. These conditions are for device one. Similarly, you will have conditions for temperature. We can keep it a little higher because it will be mostly water. Okay, and this will become 20. I hope that my ranges for these are also similar to this only. Let us check once. device 2, I think. Device 2, a temperature was between 20 to 25. So let's make this as 25 to 35 so that it's normal. Water can be heated up, right? These are our OKs, 3 to 9, 5.5 to 0.2. This is fine. We'll restart this once we write our code fully. Okay. So here it is, temperature is between this, no, 25 nahi, isko 28 karte hain, and this will make as 32. Okay. pH should be between 6.5 to 8.0. Okay. And TDS ka, what was the range? Just a second. Guys, if you are having any issues understanding, let me know. Huh? I'm blindly going on. This is 0.5 to 0.2. So yeah, it has to be between 0.5 to 2.0. We are doing TDS. 0.5 to 2.0. So R should be between 1 to 1.5. That is better. Okay. So these are our rules. Oh, where is this? That part gone. Oh. I have to write it again. pH is between 6.5 and less than 8. TDS is between 1.0 and less than 1.5. Okay. So let's put these conditions in our cloud.upload function. Where is that? It's here. Okay. So in this one, once we get the message, we have to convert this into JSON.loads. Should do it, I think. You don't need to require. Let's see. Should work. Now, once we load it, we know if we are writing it or everything inside on message only. Yeah? If send data, just a second, what is the name of my data points? It is called dev-id. If send is dev-id. Dev-id is equal to test, what it is called, test02, right? Test01, let's say. So that if anybody wants to message also, they can do that. Okay. So now my next point is send data dev id test01. If it is that, then we have temperature coming down. This is 01. So here what all we have temp and we have hum. Okay. So same thing, I'll just copy this. Dev ID plus we need a temp. Okay. Now in temp, what we require is, okay, this we want to save up. If dev ID is this one, inside this, if temp is where it is, temp is greater than 23 and less than or less than 21.5, and or be very careful, is greater than 21.5 and send temp. Again, I'm just copying this up so that it's less typing for me. Is greater than 23. Okay. Zero. Now we need to make these float. Actually, we need to typecast it to float, otherwise we'll have an issue, because this will be a string at the end of the day. So we'll do this. I'm doing a lot of things here. We can end up with a lot of errors, but okay, that's okay, fine, no issues. Any doubt you guys are having what we are doing with? Please tell me. Any confusion you are having? Anyone with any confusion? Yes or no? You can tell me. If this is true, if these two things are true, if I'm in test one and this is one, then my alert status, I will check out with gateway how it was. Alert was put test 01. Just a second. Just give me a sec. So let us do one thing. We'll define here only. This is good. This is your what it will be called status. Status is equal to test 01 colon what was it? It was 0. I will copy this. Simply copy this. And both will be 0. So we are initializing this one as 0, status is as 0. And then when the system starts, it will change it. Okay. So this is a global mention. Okay. Now in the if statement, what we need to do is we'll do status dot update or we can do simply status, is that called status test 01 colon is if this is true, no, I have to update a single value only. So I cannot put it like this, is equal to, is equal to, what it should be, it should become, if these two positions, if the sensor data is greater than temperature is greater than, no, temperature is, should be, no, I'm doing something wrong. Temperature is greater than 23 and less than, so it should be less than, temperature less, temperature is less than 21.5 or greater than 23, we have an alarm. So it will become 1. Okay, this value will become 1. How we were putting it? 1, normal 1 we put. Okay, now if we're just copying this up for the second one, so that we don't have to write it again. It will become send to, sorry, send to, and it will become temperature should be less than, these two are not true, then the status can be now same thing we need to do with humidity also. We're doing it, this is the dirty work we always have to do. Humidity is less than, humidity is less than 63, temperature less than 63 and 57. Okay, 63 and 57. 57 less than 57, 57 and greater than 60. What was the number? 63. Okay, and here it will become harm. Okay, look at the logics later on. So test 1 will become once, else it will be 0. Or we can write else if also. That's okay. I think we should work. If logics, we can always check, or we can repeat. We can make all of them as ifs. That also is okay for me. So that's a normal contention when we work on real-time systems. We always try to, sir, put the, okay, sorry. This is the issue which I have with else. I have to put now. Thank you. Thank you, Rishi. Okay, this was there. Then this is, if it is 2, it will be 0. 02. इसमें temp कितना था? Temp is 23, 21, same only. Next we will have we cannot write it just like that. Oh, we should mix these. Wait. We are doing this wrong. We have to mix these, otherwise it will be a big issue. And it won't be and, be or, any of these conditions, or. Both cannot be true. They are a conundrum. They cannot be true together. Okay, here also it will be or. Okay. Again, or. All 4 conditions written together. I will check it out. Float sense or float temp is itna, sense humidity is itna. Then it's 1, else it is 0. Simple. We don't need to write all this. will not have any ambiguity otherwise. Okay. Same thing we'll do here. Here it will be a little longer because we have three things here. So we'll put up another one. So, okay. Take one of these only. It is better. This way it is better. So it will be your pH. Everything is small. We'll just check it out. This is 0.1. This is 0.2, TDS and pH. Everything is small. pH ka what we had? pH is greater than 6.5 and less than 8. No, I've written it wrong. Greater than, sorry. Should be greater than, it cannot be greater than less than 6.5. Cannot be greater than 1. Less than 1 and greater than 1. 6.5 and 8. So let's go here. pH should be less than, should not be less than 6.5. And यहाँ पर भी और लगेगा एक or if float is greater than 8, pH should not be that, or it will be TDS has to be TDS is less than 1, 1.0, or TDS is less than 1.5. Okay. Then it's one, else status of 2 is 0. Okay. Now we have done this here. We need to put this as status. Let us see what we get. Let us run this update alert. Yeah. Okay. Let us run this and see. Here only we need to run. Yes. Anyways, putting up the whole show. Now let us see. We'll get some errors. Indentation will be a big issue now, because here half of the indentation has gone horribly wrong. Oh. So now it should work. Let's see. else on line number 24. 24. This one. Mm. It has still an issue. What is the issue? I have written this properly. And yeah, I have written it properly. Else. What is the issue with this one? Should look fine. I don't know. The issue we are getting here, why we are getting this? We have to check out. Indentation. Show it. Not used to work with this, right? The issue. Edit. Here we had a lot of things. Indentation. Tab key indentation. Let me check out. Think here tab key. We can save this, right? Apply. Apply. Okay. I think we should not have any issues. Control S. Oh, still the same old problem. What we are doing wrong? You guys can let me know. Just a second now. It's normal only. It's not wrong. Why this is going the other way around? If else, if else. Okay, this is first. I think this was the issue. No, it's not the issue. Give space on 26th line where I'm not given the space. 26th line, this one, where I should give space. Send data. Tab. It's not tab, I think. It's proper only. Sixth line. If they are on the same line, right? So why it will be different? Doesn't look like different. If I check out, let me see. Oh, I have written and here it would be or. Also correct. Everything here has proper indentation. Sanjay, I'm not able to understand what you're saying. I cannot see any tab in front of this. Let me open this up here. That's a better way to work around. Waste a lot of time. Adjusting with the indentions. See. Okay. This is the issue. Yes. This else is not properly done. Why this else is going? Now I can see this. See. So everything looks okay now. Statuses look a little weird. This would have given the next errors. Now they look okay. Status 01 in condition still issue. So this is line number 23. So no space before if statement. Okay. Wait, 23. 23 is which line? Let me see. 23. It's this line. Okay. So it's saying the status is equal to 01. The status is equal to 4 else has an issue. Guys, we can take a 5 minutes break. In the meantime, I'm just adjusting the code. Okay. 7:05 we will meet. Number 23. Yeah, wait, just let me do this once. Guys, we can take a break of 5 minutes. We'll not take a 10 minutes break today. Else in 29. Okay. I'm solving this now, I think. this else was having issue. There is an instance and or. अच्छा, or लिखा मैंने and लिख दिया. Okay. Should be or. If any of the condition is true, we are taking it. 9 or 23. Which one? Okay, let me first do it from my way. Get you guys. Yes, now it's okay, but some other issue. Decode expecting line 1, some other error. Zero client dot loop. Told you guys. JSON.loads will have an issue. So we'll do a JSON dumps first to be careful. Oh. Here it is. JSON. Told you we'll have some issues here. JSON. Again, we have something. Line number 21. If send data, there is 21. So we are getting into that now. This looks okay to me. As it says, type a string indices. Acha. What I'm doing, man. And if with 0 string indices, must be integer. Okay. What we are getting here is maybe wait. This should be double inverted comma lower. These are some typecasting issues which you will be getting anyway. Dev ID was what? Just 01, just 02. need to do some things in this so that this becomes easier to work around with. Okay. Our message will change our tactics so that we can encode decode is much better. MSG is the message dot payload is your message payload dot decode. So we want to change it to a UTF format -8. Okay. Okay. Now, next what we will be doing is JSON loads where I have done. Here only I have done that. No, we name this as SD and S send data is equal to JSON dot loads and this SD. Now this should work properly. Otherwise, the format was not setting up. This thing should directly work like this. I need not to do anything here. Yeah, guys, I think this should work. I'm again rejoining. Yes, we are getting the data. Alert status is updated. So we were printing the data. So we are getting it printed here with both test 02, test 02, test 01 is stopping, I think. Let us see. This is test 02, test 1. Getting test 1. Let us see. We are getting both the data points or not. Test 1 also we are getting. Test 2 also we are getting. They both have same time duration. Let me see once. If they have same time duration, then there might be an issue. Let me check once. What is the sleep time? This is 3 seconds. And this is the other one is different. Other one is 5 seconds. Okay. So this is okay. So this is working now like this. We are getting the statuses of 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 both are not together working. So let me run one of the two in idle. Okay, run it here. Okay. So now let us see it in our server code. Where is our server code running? Server, not this one, this one. Okay. So we are getting 2 also now. Test. What I'm seeing here. So both are 1 now. Some or the other error is happening. Okay. Else, wait. I've written the wrong code here. Reload so that we can do it from here. No, I don't want to do it here. It's the worst place to write codes. I'm getting stuck with this. So see, let me see if I put the conditions right. Else, what was the condition? Else 0 was there, right? Okay. This was all okay. So our setup is working now. Okay. Okay, I have done this wrong. Test.sensor. They both are publishing to the same topic, right? I'll do a little changes in the dev1, dev2. Sorry. So that they become a little different. Otherwise, they are just simply sending the data to the same topic. So here I will write it as test. This one is when, no? Test 01. Okay. And the other one I will write it as test 02 so that they are differentiated. Okay. Now I will stop this one, close, and I will stop this one also. And here this is running. Now what I need to do is in this code, I will make it hash so that it can subscribe to both. Okay. Now for X, first I will run the devices 1 and 2. Okay. Now I will go back to this one and I will run. Yes. So let us see the server now again. Hmm. You are getting the data as 0 and 1. Okay. So these all things are working fine. Okay, so we are able to see everything together now in a sync. This is your server, this is your devices, these are your devices, and this is your server, and this is your gateway. We don't have much of time to go through the UI. I will just show you one code. Sorry. So this is something which I have created. I'll just show you this. Just give you the hint of it. So what is happening here? You can write it with inside the server, or you can do one more thing. You can actually write where is the server code? Yeah. In your server code, you can write a get also. Receive alerts. Whenever it receives alerts, it should post it also somewhere. So now with this code itself, you can add up my other code part. Oh, these are all open. Just thinking, just a second. Just stop my work. Okay, there are too many things which are there. Dev2, dev1. Sure. So I've given a simple PySimple GUI. So here you will just create a layout, temperature, humidity layout. While true in the event loop only, whenever you will get this, see, update your GUI you are getting, right? So यहाँ पे you have to put a URL, your URL, and this temperature and humidity can be updated accordingly. Okay. Whatever you get in response, In that, from there, I think it should be device one and device two. So this one I will just share with you guys so that you have an example. I'm just running this off. You will understand. This is a basic, a basic UI you get where you can do updates. But here you will do updates. It will go into a wrong URL. Otherwise, whenever you click update, you will get the values here. Okay. I think time will not permit, and this I think you have to work on from your side. So I will add these things. Wait 1 second. One thing I need to do is I need to do a SSH and get the that code for you, right? The cloud app code 192.168.210.128. It's IoT class. Okay. CD test sudo nano cloud. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so let us take this code and see. Let me see if I can paste it somewhere. Yes. This was the code for cloud server. I'll share this also with you guys. Upload .py. Okay. Share it with everyone. It's a little bigger file. Everyone got it, right? Any other file is required from your side, or you have any questions to ask me, you can please go ahead and do that. This UI.py also I will give you. Wait. It's not complete. You have to fill things into it. That will be your task. Yeah, guys, you have anything to ask? Any code extra you want or any part of the system which I need to share with you guys, apart from whatever I have shared? Guys, hello. Anyone? Any questions you want to ask? The server is still running it, I hope. Yes. So we're getting data like this. Lot of tricks which are there, but this is the basic parts actually. Yeah. Guys, anyone wants to add anything? Guys, you can ask me questions. I will be handing over the mic to Amar after this. Yes, this is done. I will do another CMD. So if I was double clicking out of the one which is whichever was run first was running. Okay, so I'm doing this for this part only. Okay, now let us see. Now this both should work together. That's my server. Yeah, I'm getting data from both. And here also, if I see, I'm getting 0 and 1 both together. Okay. Both are working okay. Okay. Amar, I think they don't have any doubts to ask.
Okay, so you are done with your part, like
Yeah,
all
yeah.
agenda is covered, right?
Yeah. I've
Okay,
covered
then
everything. I've given the UI part to them to add things up and do so that they have a full connectivity wise. I have completed everything. So
okay, then that's
this
great.
this part fully is done. Even the server part, we have this server running and the data is coming here.
Okay, so just share with me assignment as well. Then we'll add the assignment over the LMS.
Yeah. So I have given the UI. I have given a UI.py. I will again add. Okay, wait 1 second. Thank you, sir. How to print data on both test 1 and test 2 device. The program is printing only one device data. So this is some issue with the, see now it is running. Wait. Just a second. Wait. Again, we are getting test 2. Sir, it's coming like this. Who is telling me? Let us look into the 1 second. But just a second. There's one doubt they have asked me. I will just put it.
Yeah, no problem. You can take it up.
Server.py is not working properly. What you want to server.py? What is the issue you are getting, Sanjay? I have not received any image to understand this. The request address is not valid. You have run everything up properly. Your addresses you have to see. My address is it's not like that. Your address also will be same. So if you are in the this one, you have to do like this. Just a second. You have to do if config to understand. If config. Oh, wait. If config to see what is your IP address. This was my IP address, and this one will be the server will be running at end.1. Okay. So you have changed the IP address, Sanjay? Change it to yours, no? Otherwise, how it will be? So last it's 123. Your this one should be .1. Okay, I will show you it. Where is my server.py? Just a second. My server.py, same IP, last is .1. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will just share this UI wala part. It's just a dummy code, and they can add up their part and showcase the data. Sorry. Yeah, Amar, I'm just sharing this with everyone. You will also get it, I think.
Oh, yeah, sure.
UI.py.
We'll upload all this file over LMS, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah. So here, from here, they can, okay, what you are getting from here, server app debug mode off. Get address info failed. Required it is not valid for the context. What is the address you have put in the server file, Sanjay? You have to tell me. Yeah, I will talk to Sanjay directly. I think, Amar, you can take it from there.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. So first of all, thank you so much, Mr. Anirban, for taking such a wonderful sessions.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for Deep sir also.
Yeah.
He's yeah. Please convey my message.
Yeah, definitely.
Sure. So guys, we started our Python and IoT journey on 7th August and today is the 20th August and we're done with the 15 days and 30 hours of training program. And it's such a wonderful journey with all of you. So every day you are giving me the feedback and 5-star rating over the Google form. But today I'm going to share the ExcelR page review link. So I want each and everybody to give the feedback with 5-star rating. Okay. So first of all, I'm sharing that link in the chat box. Everybody go there, give your feedback and share your rating as well. First thing. After this, I have 2 more announcements. So please be there. Don't leave the session because today we have to share the attendance as well. But before that, I need everybody to share their feedback. You enjoyed the session now? Quick yes or no? Yes, yes. Okay, good. So I shared the review link with everyone in the Zoom as well as YouTube. Okay, so guys, quick feedback. Few words regarding to the trainings, trainers, management, how you enjoyed the Python and IoT, all the things. Okay. Yes, guys, we'll wait for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm sharing that link once again. So there is one question, which image we have to upload, sir? So no need to upload the image, or just write something regarding to the sessions and just give the 5-star rating, that's it. Guys, don't worry about the certifications. I'm going to explain that as well. Done, sir. Thank you so much. Guys, once you're done with the feedback, just give me a thumbs up. Okay. Thank you so much, Omkar. Sami Khan, thank you so much, sir. You're most welcome. Asmita, done. Shiyansh, done. Skriti, done. Lakshmi, done. Thank you so much, all of you. Yes, guys, I am going to share the attendance link as well. For 5 minutes, we'll share the feedback link. You have to give the feedback. After that, we'll share the attendance link. Then we'll have a certifications things, and then I will take it up your question. Okay. Prajwal is saying, thanks, sir, for your support and amazing lecture. You're welcome. Thank you so much, Ayush. I'm expecting feedback from your side. Done, done, done. Okay. Done, done, done. Okay. YouTube people's what they are saying, sir, in feedback link, there will be posted a photo. So guys, photo is not required. You can just post the feedback with 5-star rating. The photo is optional. Okay. So not required. Done. Sanjay is done. Yishika done. Santosh done. Okay. It's not working. Some kind of error showing. So rather just change your browser. If you are using a Mozilla Firefox, then try to use via Google Chrome or any another browser. Sir, any more classes are there? Please suggest. Sure, Prajwal will update that. Thank you, sir, for all the wonderful session. Guys, don't leave. We have to mark today's attendance as well. So please be there. Vaishnavi will explain that. Okay. Guys, I'm expecting all of you to give the feedback. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. Done. Bhavna done. Gayatri, Akansha, thank you so much. Thank you, sir. It was a great learning session. Thank you so much, Aditya. Thank you so much, Ayush, and thank you so much, Aditya as well. Done, sir. Okay, Sabha. Guys, quick for your feedback. K Nagar Rajesh, sir, after click on link, it's going to Google Map. Can you please let me know how to go for feedback? Yes, the feedback option is there only. Write a review if it's reverting to the Gmap directly. If you're reverting to the Google Map, in the review option, you have an option to write a review at upper side only. So you need to do that. Okay, let me check the count. Okay. All of you are very wonderful, guys. Everybody's given the feedback. Appreciated. Guys, don't leave. We have to mark today's attendance as well. And I'm going to explain regarding to the certificates and upcoming program details. Okay, so please be there. Okay, on YouTube, Pooja done, Sakshi done, Akhil done, Sarthak done. All of you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, there is one comment from Mahita Patil. Learned something new in these classes. Thank you, sir, and team for the classes. You're most welcome. Aditya, sir, attendance link. This is a review. No, guys. Be like on daily basis. I used to share the attendance link. That link is there. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. We just wait to complete the feedback and then we'll share. Rushali is saying, sir, it's a very good platform. Thank you. You're welcome, Rushali. Done. Thank you. Done, sir. Thank you for this online education. This 15 days was great. Thank you, Ritik. Sir, when will you get the certificate? Samiksha, just 5 more minutes. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. Sana Khan, thank you, Sana. Sir, what's now? Akshay, just wait. I will explain that as well. Pooja Gade saying done. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think it's time to share the attendance link simultaneously. Those who are writing in the feedback, you can keep writing and submit your feedback. Meanwhile, I will share today's attendance with you guys. 1 minute. T Dhanalakshmi. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Sir, it's nice. And thank you, sir, for teaching us in a wonderful. You're welcome. Guys, I am sharing the attendance link over Zoom and YouTube. So please mark your attendance and share your feedback as well, if any suggestions as well. Okay. Review link is not opening. Okay, I will share that once again with you. Try to change a browser. Sometimes few links are not opening at that similar browser. Try to change the browser. I'm sharing that. You're welcome. Sir, I missed 5 sessions due to my exam. Can I able to receive my certificate? So in such scenario, you have to attend at least 60% of the sessions. Okay. It's error. Please try once again. Link is working for all. Those who are facing the difficulties, try to change the browser. Okay. Sir, attendance link nahi आली. वैष्णवी मी आता तर शेअर केली. Okay, no problem. I will share once again. Sabha Fatima, what's your question? 60% means 9 days, sir. Oh, yes, correct. Okay, I shared the attendance link once again. Sir, receive link. That attendance bill hot nahi. How it's possible? I'm receiving the feedback, guys. So attendance link is working properly and review link is also working properly. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Thank you. Guys, for others, it's working. Just confirm in the chat box. Quick yes. Okay, Ajinkya, I'm sharing with you personally. Just share it. Okay. It's working, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, good. Thank you so much for confirmation. So now coming to the certification part. Okay, so guys, here properly, be there, focus for 2 more minutes. So those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the session, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. Okay, but you have to mark the all days attendance, all be like 60% of the attendance. I know all of you attended the session and already given the feedback as well. Clear? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, once again, no problem. I will repeat that. So guys, those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the session, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. Guys, clear? Confirm me. Yes, I'm sharing. If you have any information, let's share with me. Okay, YouTube people clear? Repeat, sir, please. Okay, Chandan, I'm repeating that. If your attendance is more than 60%, you will receive your certificate within 7 to 8 working days. Okay, 9 to 10 days. Okay. Yes, you are welcome.
Yeah, but I'm getting a message saying if we won't get it, what we should do.
Yeah, very good question. So guys, after 7 8 days, you feel that I attended all the session, I given the feedback as well, but I not received the certificates. In such scenario, you need to drop an email to edl@excelr.com. My team will check your attendance and they will let you know. So for your documentation purpose, I'm sharing that email ID with you. Just check in the chat box and write it down now. Okay. So Bharat Kumar is there on YouTube. Sir, we didn't receive FDP certificate on 16th August Python and Chat GPT. There is no any FDP on Python and Chat GPT. I hope it's NLP and Chat GPT applications. So we are on it. You will receive it within 2 days. Okay. No need to worry. Sir, is there any upcoming programs? Yes. So guys, we are planning few upcoming programs in September month. So for sure, you will get notified via email. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, one more thing. I forgot to inform that. 1 minute. Let me check the questions. Then I will inform. What is the question? How do I know that I attended 60%? Because last time I attended, but I didn't receive. May you please let me know if I'm getting this time around? So drop an email. We'll check your attendance. Okay. So your voice is not coming. No problem. I'm not talking. I'm just checking the messages. But I am not able to mark attendance in this section. Omkar, you're asking me for today's session. Yes, Vaishnavi, it's perfect. No, sir. Omkar, which attendance link you are asking me? Can you please elaborate? Show my attendance, sir. Chandan, drop an email. I didn't learn anything from this. Then Sachin, do one thing, go to the YouTube, go through the YouTube or else LMS, you will get the idea. Okay. Pooja Gadi is asking, sir, तुम्हाला मराठी येते? Yes, I know Marathi, Hindi, English, and Tamil as well. Thank you, entire team of ExcelR, for your wonderful efforts and really obliged for everyday learning activities. Thank you so much for such a wonderful comment. No, Sanjay, sorry, sir. ChatGPT certificate not received. Usually we check on the same. Sir, we are not aware of new programs. Can you please email before a new course? Sure, you will receive an email. No need to worry. Sir, done with the attendance. Okay, thank you. Okay, you're asking me for review link. 1 minute, I'm sharing the review link. Guys, those who are remains to give the feedback over our ExcelR page, please go. And I'm requesting you, please give your feedback with faster rating. That will be helpful for us. Okay. And one more announcement I have. 1 minute. Yes, Saloni, today is the last day. So guys, those who are in the last year and looking for career guidance from the ExcelR solutions, or else they are searching for jobs or any query or any question. So for that, our industry experts team are ready to connect with you one-on-one via call. Okay. So for that, I'm sharing one link. You have to submit your details. My team member will connect with you. And just for future perspective, they will help you on the same. Okay. So if you have any query, question regarding to the career counseling, career guidance, anything, so please fill that form. My team will definitely help you on the same. Okay. Sir, attendance link. Yeah, I'm sharing that as well. Just 1 minute. Guys, I'm open for Q&A. You have any query or question, please ask me. Any. Sir, please reply. Manideep, what's your question? I not received. Can you please help me with your question once again? Sir, I have marked 8 days attendance only, but listen remaining in LMS. How to mark the attendance? Okay, I got your question. You have to attend minimum 60%. So after 2-3 days, just drop an email to EDL. We'll check. Review link again, sir. I'm not it not coming when I came back from chat box. Sorry to bother. No problem. It's okay. I'm sharing the review link once again with all of you guys. Yes, I shared. YouTube peoples. Okay, someone is saying review link not working. Silent Lucifer. I just shared. Please check that. Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful efforts. You're welcome, Sonali. Guys, query question. By what time we will get the certificate, sir? Within how many days? Within 7 to 8 days, Aisha. Okay, there is a big question. Hello, sir. I'm missing first 5 sessions, but I completed this session now a day. I am also completed these 5 missing sessions, but I'm not able to mark the attendance. So don't worry. If you attended 10 sessions, you will receive the certificate. Okay. Thank you for providing such a wonderful platform to us. You're welcome, guys. Supriya is saying एक number hota sir session. धन्यवाद Supriya. You're welcome, Omkar. Guys, 1 minute. Sorry. साहिल फॉर्म भरायचा का सर? कोणता फॉर्म भरायचा साहिल? एक्झिट करू शकता काय सर? येस सुप्रिया, यू कॅन एक्झिस्ट इफ यू आर डन विथ ऑल द पार्ट्स. मिनिमम guys, you started, all of you started talking in Marathi. So it's not good. We have to talk in the English because all participants from Pan India, okay? From parties apart. Attendance link. Okay, I'm sharing that. Guys, 1 minute. I'm sharing the attendance link. We have 11 more minutes for you. Anybody have any feedback, any suggestion, any question? Go ahead and drop in the chat box. Sir, what is the procedure to get the certificate? So Silent Lucifer, I don't know your name, but whatever is there, I will talk that only. So there is no any extra procedure, no any extra form to fill. If your attendance is more than 60%, you will receive your certificate soft copy over an email. That's it. Anything else, guys? Quick questions. Okay, sir, will you have course on Java? Yes, Rovin, we have a full stack development course with us. If you're looking for that, just drop an email to edl@excelr.com. That's it. Sir, review link is showing for error. Silent Lucifer, change your browser. Sir, still still something important. Yes, this is the last day. Today is the last day. Tomorrow there is no initiation. Today or tomorrow, Prajwal, what's your question? Yes, Bhumika, you can fill. Okay, so you are asking me for career guidance form. So guys, I would like to inform once again regarding to the career guidance form. So I will inform you what is the use of career counseling and career guidance form. So those who have a little bit confusion in their future perspective, those who are in the last year, those who have lots of question for our industry expert, ExcelR is open to give a career counseling, free of cost career counseling, and it will be a one-on-one. Okay. Sorry, Pooja, basics is not there. Full stack development. Is today the last training or tomorrow? Today is the last day. Any course for web development? Yes, guides. Web development course is also there. Sir, tomorrow class is there or not? Guys, today is last session. So tomorrow, no any class. So in September, we'll launch 2-3 more programs. So then we'll meet again. Okay. Yes, Tahsin Begum, a course for HTML, like we're going to cover HTML in full stack development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java with front end, back end, all the things. Okay. Some, yeah. YouTube peoples, any question? Full stack September ला start होणार है क्या? Vishali, it's not sure. We'll inform you via email. Okay. Sir, can we get the notification related to the next course on email? Yes, you will. Sir, how many days it will take for certificate? 7 to 8 days, not more than that. Okay, I'm sharing the review link once again. Those who remains, please give your feedback. It is possible to learn Python in 30 hours. Gurgaon took 10 years to develop a Python. It's not possible, but we're getting that much idea. What's the Python? Can we go for a Python for lifetime? What is the language and all the things? Okay. So that's it. So Sachin, I think you have more questions. So drop an email to EDL team. They will help you on the same. Can we leave? Yes, guys, you don't have any query question, you can leave. Those who have question, please ask me. So there is one message from Roshni. Sir, in our ExcelR dashboard, I have got successfully completed the course. There is an assessment. It is not opening. It means there is no any assessment. Guys, there is no any assessment. Just for your practice purpose, we'll upload the assignment on Python and IoT as well. Okay. Sir, I want a mania career guidance to with you. Can you tell me about me? Yes. So Kittu Tiwari, just fill that form. I'm sharing that once again. Fill that form. Oh, by mistakenly, I shared the review link. 1 minute. I will share that. Career counseling form. You can ask all of your question to our industry experts. Sir, can I get any suggestion for internship from your team? Siddesh. So fill that form. Yes, guys, we have 5 more minutes. Sir, I have attended 13 sessions, but mark attendance only 8 days. Then I got certification or not. So on 8 days, I think your attendance is less than 60%. Yes, Kavita, I hope you enjoyed the sessions and you love the sessions of Python and IoT. So please give me the feedback. Okay, I'm sharing the link. Okay, Kavita. I'm on YouTube. Will certificate come in email? Yes, Sajid, correct. Sir, will you have course on basic C? No, Pooja. We have a full stack development. Sir, I want a material. So visit LMS. You will get all the material. Sir, I have attended some sessions through YouTube, but there is a different email. YouTube, I don't have verify my email to ExcelR account. So Sumit, I think there are confusion in your question. So drop an email. Kavita, no need to add a photo. It's optional. Okay. So drop an email to edl@excelr.com with your contact details. I will connect with you. Okay. Sir, all sessions are really good, but course homepage attended are applicable for certificate. Lena, I didn't get your question. Naina is saying not getting link to giving the feedback. Okay, I'm sharing once again. Guys, we have 2-3 more minutes. Let's ask you a question. in future for sure we will launch full stack as well. In that we'll cover HTML. Okay, so don't worry. So will you have course on basics of programming? Tivaria will launch for sure. Okay, sir. If someone is not interested in coding, then how will they can go with other stream? So Aisha, those who are not interested in the coding, we have different courses they like. Selenium testing is there, or data analysis. Data analysis is a perfect way for non-tech for looking their career transition in the IT industry, because all the tools will cover that. Be like advanced Excel, then Power BI, Tableau, and MySQL. Just 5% of coding is there, a part of e-panels, or else everything is a drag and down and you have to create the live dashboards. So that will be a good option if you're looking for your IT career without coding. Okay. Siddesh is saying, bye sir, waiting to join upcoming session with you, and thank you. Jai Maharashtra. Okay, Siddesh, Jai Maharashtra. All registered numbers are come certificates. No, Likita, you have to attend the sessions and you have to mark the attendance on a daily basis. Okay, guys, all of you are so wonderful. So I think it's time to wind up for the day. And thank you so much for all of you for joining each and every day and making this session successful, or making this training program successful. I'm sharing the review link once again if anybody is remaining, and then we'll wind up for the day. And for sure, we'll meet you in upcoming programs. Okay. Sajid will update that. So guys, can we wind up? Okay, thank you so much sir for your support and help. You're welcome. Sir, अगर हमें जीमेल में सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला तो आपको मेल कर सकते हैं ना? Yes, कविता, कर सकते हो. Guys, if you have more query, I will be there for 2-3 more minutes. Okay. Likita's question is there, all registered numbers are come certificate? No, because attendance is mandatory. If you're done with registration, it's not matters. You have to attend the program as well, right? Bye-bye, sir. We'll miss your session. Okay, Sonali. For sure, we'll come up with lots of new sessions on different technologies. Oh, attendance link. You're asking for attendance link. That's important, guys. If you're going to miss your one-day attendance, you're going to miss your certificate. So you have to mark your attendance. Yeah, I'm sharing on YouTube as well. If anybody is remained to mark your attendance, mark that. Right now. Oh, yes, Anirba, thank you so much for such a wonderful session once again.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Hope you like the session. Any doubts, you can always get back to ExcelR, and I will try to connect if something is required. Okay. Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye. If any query, how to ask you, sir? Drop an email. We'll keep checking on the same. If you want email ID, I'm sharing that in the chat box for YouTube and Zoom as well. Just a minute. Sir, I missed the 2 days attendance. Yeah, Harshita, not an issue. 60% attendance is mandatory. If you miss the 2 days, your attendance will be like 90%. So no need to worry about that. Okay, I think we're done with all the question. No one have no any question now. Okay, so let's wind up. Okay, when I'm thinking to wind up, somebody's asking me for something. No problem. I'm sharing attendance link. Wait, I'm sharing. 1 minute. Harika, I'm sharing the attendance. Yes, please mark your attendance. Your email ID. Okay, I'm sharing that, or else I will share the mobile number. If you have more question, you can drop me a WhatsApp message. Okay, guys, then thank you so much once again. And we are done with the program, and we'll meet you in the next program. Thank you so much, all of you. Bye bye. Have a nice time and all the best for your future endeavors.